Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI. We are here in the outdoor testing studio where in the background I now have the flight of this cool new holystone HS200 where I'm going to show you all of the flight stuff, the stunts, all the fun stuff you want to see at the beginning of the video. And then I'm going to come back, I'm going to do a review of the actual experience with the drone, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of this in terms of whether it was outstanding or whether it sucked. And then if you are still interested in this drone, I will do a full unboxing and show you everything that it comes with. We'll talk about more specifically the features and attributes of this drone. In the meantime, let's go watch the flight and I'll see you in a little bit. This thing is so cool. I think, first off, how cool does this look? This is like, there are very few drones which kind of have like a style, a look. This is like this cool futuristic alien candy apple red drone. And beyond that, it flew just as well as it looks. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I loved flying this. And this is easily the largest drone that I have that does stunts, that does flips and 360s, all that kind of stuff. Definitely leave yourself plenty of room before you try to do those stunts because it is big and kind of lumbers around, but it is so cool when it does those flips and rolls, all that. I love that. I think the only thing that I would complain about this in a sense is that while it does come with a second battery, it is such a giant pain in the neck, basically, to kind of disassemble this whole thing on the bottom to get to that battery in there. That I've found myself just basically relying on the one battery and charging, just plugging it in there and charging it up instead of being able to efficiently swap batteries. But, you know, as far as I'm concerned, I can live with that and still give it a 5 out of 5. This is definitely a winner in my book. Hey, let's go do that unboxing. Welcome to the past. Obviously, you saw it fly. I did the review. Let's unbox it, talk about it. This is a beginner drone. Looks to me like a really cool option for a beginner drone in that it's like kind of a nice size. Obviously, it's this cool red color. Oh, well, let's get it out of the box and you can see what it actually looks like. I'm only working off the pictures because it's the past. You already saw it fly. But so it has a 720, which is an HD camera, but not like a full 1080 HD or 4K, but 720 and nice HD quality. Oh, this is so cool. It is even candy apple red. Okay, I'm gonna make you wait a minute to see the actual drone itself. So a couple other features that it has the headless mode, meaning that it just goes whichever way you move the drone with the stick, which is sometimes really good for beginners. So it also has altitude hold, which is really great, especially again for beginners, where if you take your hands off the controllers, it should hover at a level station, which is really very easy and nice. Sometimes when they don't have it, they can wobble a little bit, makes it difficult. And then it also has voice control. It does 3D flips, which I'm sure you already saw already, and it has an app which you can use to control it as well. So let's take a look at what comes in the box here. So it comes with an extra set of blades. That's a nice thing. Nice heavy USB cable to charge it. Here is one of the batteries. I'm assuming there's another one in the drone itself. I'm not going to show you the drone just yet. We have landing gear, which I'll need to install, as well as blade guards. I highly recommend the use of the blade guards. Even myself, as much experience as I have, I still put them on just so I don't have to worry about banging against the wall a little bit, something like that, and breaking it. Has an unusual remote control. Check that out. This is like kind of old school style. Has a really nice feel to it though. I see it has trim adjustments for the controls, the radio. Has 2.4 gigahertz, gives you status on certain things. You got a speed control, up and down. One button takeoff. This is pretty cool. I kind of actually like the feel of this as opposed to the other ones. I guess you know how it worked or didn't work. It comes with a mount for the FPV, so you can put your phone on it and mount it up and use it that way. Okay, I'll stop messing with you. Here it is. Here is the drone itself. That is super cool looking. This thing is ridiculous. Okay, I know you guys already saw it fly. Look, the gears are exposed. How cool is that? That is so neat. Okay, you guys already saw it flew. Obviously, I just really like the paint job. I'm gonna actually go charge it up and play with it so you could have seen the video you already saw. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.